Imagine a goal so insane it redefines what's possible in football. That's exactly what we're ranking today, pure hype moments from the 2026 World Cup that had fans on their feet. We're talking about goals that don't just win matches, they rewrite the rulebook. Let's start with a legend who keeps proving he's in another dimension entirely. Next up, a clash of titans that's not just about skill, it's about time itself. Lionel Messi and Kylian Mbappe, two players at opposite ends of their careers, but both in... This isn't just a fairy tale, it's proof that the future of sports is being written in code. Alright, let's talk about a goal so obscure, it slipped under the radar, but so insane, it deserves its own spotlight. This isn't just a goal, it's a masterclass in creativity, execution, and sheer audacity. It's the kind of moment that makes you question if you've been watching football with your eyes closed. Let's break down how this one defied logic itself. Next up, a clash that's... Alright, it's time to settle the ultimate debate. These goals we've ranked were all pure hype, but who truly deserves that top spot? Is it the one that defied logic, the masterclass in creativity, or the perfect counterattack that had fans on their feet? Drop your vote in the comments, let's see if you agree with our ranking or if you're a rebel at heart. And if you love this hype, hit like and subscribe for more moments that redefine football. These goals we've seen today aren't just moments of brilliance, they're the stuff that makes football feel alive. Whether it's a perfect counterattack, a